everybody, this is Leftover Remains, and today I'm going to be showing you a basic gun reloading and firing script with a HUD. The HUD I'll be using will be the same one we use for the timer, more on that later. I am using Stencyl 2.2, long story short, this should all work in Stencyl 3.3, which is the current release. I have a graph here that shows you what game attributes I am using to hopefully simplify any learning curves, as well as avoiding having to later explain what each one will do as they come up. So let's get started. Okay, so rather than boring you with the details, I'll just do a quick rundown here, which should hopefully save tons of time. So in the drawing, I took out the clock mechanism, and instead I put a pistol clip ammo to the left within the HUD, and draw text remaining pistol ammo to the right in the HUD. In the physics, I added a cannot move because for some reason it fell down, so I fixed that. I don't know if that was in the other tutorial or not, but anyway. So I got that running. Now I also made a pistol behavior within the actor behaviors instead of the scene. The reason being is that if I did it in the scene, then I would always have to have the HUD be in a certain position, whereas in this case I can allow the player to actually move your HUDs around. However, that is going to be in a later tutorial, and to save a bunch of time and instead of me rambling, I'm just going to throw in from the side over here what I've already built. Now, as you can see in the created, I did a remaining pistol ammo to 25, and this is just for test purposes. Of course, if you tried to add this, I would highly recommend making a shop feature which allows your player to buy the ammo, which would then increase this as often or as many times as he bought the product. And of course there's nothing in the drawing. So I'm going to set the max pistol ammo to 10. Yes, I feel really cheap for doing this. It's the first, but figure I might as well speed through this. So the max pistol ammo. Now, the one good thing about this is that you can actually add in a inventory upgrade, and so you can upgrade your weapons. So for example, this is the base, and from here you can add levels, and for every level there's a new max pistol ammo amount. Next, we're going to have the remaining pistol ammo. So if the remaining pistol ammo is less than or equal to 0, then set the remaining refill counter to 0, as well as remaining pistol ammo to 0. That means so that in case you have a negative number, it'll just revert back to 0. This one is clip ammo. If it's greater than 10, then you set the ammo to 10. Now, again, if you have different shop upgrades, then of course you would have to add more detail to this, but I'll get into that in another tutorial. Next, we're going to add fire gun. Now here, I just created a controller. I called it reload and fire gun, and had the spacebar and the R button be the triggers for these controls. I also set it to from was down to was pressed, and I also want to make sure that there's more than 0 in the ammo amount in the gun. And I also want to set, when this happens, pistol ammo -1. Next, I'm going to add reload was pressed, again using the same method, as well as making sure that there is less than the maximum in the chamber in the gun at the time. And I'm going to set the pistol clip ammo to pistol clip ammo plus remaining ammo, as well as also having the remaining pistol ammo to remaining ammo minus the remaining ammo, or the required amount needed to refill the gun. That way, if you have 6 and you need 4, it'll automatically detect how much you need, rather than saying, oh, it's automatically gonna decrease 10, so it automatically refills. And last but not least, if the remaining pistol ammo is greater than 0, which again, you may or may not really need this, I just do it as a precaution, just as a safety measure. So if pistol ammo count, then you're going to want to set the pistol ammo counter to max pistol ammo minus pistol clip ammo. Now what this does is pretty much says, okay, whatever the max currently is minus how many is in the gun. So I'm also going to go in and I'm going to add in one more thing, actually, so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm going to go into drawing, I guess, and I'm going to add in the pistol ammo, and I'm actually going to do drawing, and I will add pistol refill, and I'm going to put this down below. So I'm going to say, let's say 40, and 50. That way you can identify exactly where it is. So when this increases, it's actually saying how much it's going to decrease, how much it's actually going to remove from the remaining pistol ammo when the reload actually happens. So I'm going to test this. And now you can see that it's actually 10. So when I refill it, it goes straight to 0. And when every time I fire the gun, then it goes up. When I reload, it automatically detects how much I have. And then I'm going to fire, 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 reload. Now I actually have there. I'm going to reload. I got 2 more, and then I can fire, 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 fire. And then it's greater than this, but still it's only going to give me how much I have left. So again, of course there's no bullets in the game. This is just the script to actually reload. So there you have it. That is a quick, basic gun reloading script. And later on I'll get into actually firing bullets, and pretty much this is another thing. You can also add in sound. So if you want a certain sound to play for each reload and each clip, you can do that. And that way you have a little more depth to your game. I'll get into more advanced mechanics for pistol reloading and firing later on. Anyway, that's the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching.